Hi guys, it's Channing here. Welcome back to my channel. I feel like a freaking stranger because I don't upload like I should. I miss you guys so much, but I'm sure you guys will be very happy with today's video. So if you guys follow Gabrielle Union on Instagram, then you know that she posted the hairstyle, and you know what hairstyle I'm talking about, and you know that she posted it maybe 6 hours ago. Maybe it's been about 6 hours, 5 hours, and right now I'm filming this video because we're about to be the first to do it, okay? But yeah, first and foremost, I have to thank you guys for 6,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate you, and I'm just so thankful that you guys thought enough to subscribe to my channel. I promise you. Like, I felt lame there for a second, but now, you know, I'm starting to, I'm like, okay, people like me. But anyways, if you're not subscribed to my channel, because I have noticed that a majority of the people who view my videos are not subscribed, then be sure to check, you know, click that subscribe button. It's for free. You know, it's free. Go ahead, do that. But hopefully we can get to 10 or 15 before the year is out. Give me a big old thumbs up if you guys think we can make it. And yeah, some motivation is needed there, honey. But yeah, we're definitely going to do this video, and it's going to be so cute, and you guys are going to love it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So for today's look, we will be using our Better Length extensions. They're not freshly detangled, so therefore they will be real poofy, afro-y, and kinky like we need them to be. For whatever reason, my ponytail wanted to give me issues today, so it's not as sleek as I would have loved for it to be. Oh yeah, and I have in my favorite earrings. You guys ask me about them a lot. They're from Topshop. So anyway, I've grabbed my first clip. I think it had 5 clips, and I'm going to start at the bottom, just wrapping it around the way that I normally do whenever I do these hairstyles. I find that this is the best technique when it comes to ponytail styles, when using my Better Length clip-ins, and they're Afro Kinky Curly for you ladies that would like to purchase. After applying each clip-in, I showed you guys the way that the ponytail looked, and that wasn't for any particular reason. I just wanted you to see the way that the style progressed, you know, throughout each step. So I'm adding my next clip. I will say it does not matter how many clips are on each clip-in. I just chose to show you guys just in case you wanted to do it exactly as I did. So I think this one had 4 clips. So guys, Gabrielle Union's little poofy at the bottom, it was rather thick, so I just wanted to make sure that I had that prior to moving up. So during these steps, I'm really just piling the clip-ins on top of each other somewhat as I move up, because otherwise, you know, only 2 or 3 clip-ins were needed to cover the whole entire ponytail since my ponytail is so short. But because I needed to have that volume and I needed that additional hair, we put them up on top of each other until we got closer to the base. And for those of you who aren't very familiar with using clip-ins for a ponytail, the only difference between this and applying a regular ponytail with wefts and bobby pins is that you're clipping and wrapping and not pinning and wrapping. I feel like I needed to say that. So guys, we're just going to speed it up past this step because I'm positive you guys know how to clip and wrap at this point. We're going to move on to the next step. We're adding our last clip and we're going to move on to step 2. So here we go. We're going to grab a section of hair and we're going to wrap this around the base of our ponytail. You know, you always have to hide your wefts, and you always grab that section of hair and you wrap it around repeatedly. Well, we're pretty much going to do that for this whole entire ponytail, and that's the look, okay? So once we get to the short piece after wrapping it around so many times, you'll see here, I'm holding it, and you want to make sure that you hold that tightly. I'm going to hold that and I'm going to grab another piece. And I'm going to cover that piece that I was holding, and I'm going to tightly continue to wrap the hair around. And it's just a continuous motion of just wrapping repeatedly, continuously wrapping until you get to the end of the ponytail. So it should be easy for you guys to do. And of course, if you're using curly hair, you're going to run into your tangles because, I mean, that's what curly hair does. It intertwines. You guys will see me stretch the hair and you'll see me struggle a bit trying to separate the hair as well, but we're gonna get it done. So I noticed here that after a while it looked like my base was thicker than the area that I was working on, so I had to thicken the sections that I was grabbing. So I started grabbing bigger sections and wrapping that around, so therefore I wasn't going around the same section repeatedly in order to get a certain size. And just keep wrapping, girl. Those arms are gonna get tired after a while, though. Guys, you know I got tired. Look at how big of a section I grabbed that time. I was done. But as long as you maintain the tightness of the style, you should be okay. No matter what size you grab, just make sure that it looks uniform. Working on our last section now. I said one more. And I actually went back after this. I didn't record it, but I went back and I did an additional one. So now I'm showing you guys how I just added a bobby pin underneath the bottom of the roll to basically hold it in place. So you see the way that it looked, I wasn't really happy with it. And I went back in and I went around again one additional time to basically make it thinner. So I took a smaller section and completed the look. So now I'm just fluffing out my puff, because for this style, besides the roll, this is the focal point of this whole entire style. So guys, that wraps up this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that this is as close to it as you guys could get, because this is pretty much all that I could come up with. Yeah, thanks to Better Length for these clip-ins. Without you, I don't know what I would do. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Again, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.